Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this very pretty and beautiful greeting card for Valentine's Day, which looks very simple and is very sober to make. So let's see the tutorial and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys. So let's start with the tutorial. So for the tutorial I'm taking this A4 size sheet and now I will fold it into half like this. Now we will keep it like this. Then I am taking a small piece of pink sheet and I have cut a heart template. This is a small one. Now what I will do is I will trace 3 hearts of this size here. Like this. You have to trace 3 hearts. So like this I have traced 3 hearts and now with the help of a scissor I will cut them out like this. Like this I have cut 3 hearts and now what we have to do is we will take another template of a heart. Now this is a bigger one. First I had taken a smaller one and now I will be taking a bigger one. So like this, and now I will again take a neon sheet of paper which looks very pretty and I'll trace 3 big hearts here like this. So guys, as you can see I have traced 3 hearts and now I will cut them out again with a scissor like this. Like this we have got 6 hearts in total, and now what we have to do is I have got one brown sheet and now I will keep it like this here and measure it. So I've cut that sheet out and now I will paste it. Just leave some part from the bottom and stick it. There's a layer of Fevicol over it. Like this. You just have to paste it. And now what you have to do is take this and take one heart here and paste this over this. Paste this like this and then fold it into half so that it will give a pop-up effect. Do like this with the other hearts also. Take one, stick it like this, fold it into half. Now the third one also. Now what you have to do is we have to paste them like this. So here on this part only we will apply some glue. Paste it over here. With a little 3D effect. This also, and like this, paste this one also. Like a butterfly we do it. And now what you have to do is draw a plain line with a pencil like this. Connecting here like this, and then we'll take a ribbon and paste it. Now what we have to do is we have to take a correction pen and now we have to draw lines like this with the correction pen. So guys, this way I have done it with the whitener, and this was how you have to do it. Place the ribbon a little hard, and here I will make one more line. Make it till the tip and let the whitener dry. It will just take 2 minutes to dry. And now I will take a part of a sheet, taken this square, and now I will cut it like this. We need half of it. Take this part here, and this ribbon is coming out, so stick it well. Cut it from the side like this. And then stick it here. Like this. And then on this, with the help of a marker, I will write Happy Valentine's Day. So this way a very pretty greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the video. And share this video and subscribe my channel if you are new. Bye guys, meet you in my next video.